And I will stop this up in like one. No, I need to save some for tomorrow. Let me. Hold that. Lover. Hello. The Diddy oil? Hi. Hello. You can call me B. I am not your enemy. Don't be fearful. Cool. Whatever floats your boat. I don't know. I don't listen to hip hop, so I don't know what's going on in the world. If the boat is rocking, don't come a knocking. It's not the size of the boat, it's the motion of the ocean. And fucking prosciutto and mozzarella. Oh my god. I'm gonna eat this all. I got alcohol. That's my bar. You can't really see. What? My snack? Well, that's why it's restricted. No kids. That's your fault. What? Talking to yourself? I'm gonna save the two for tomorrow. I'll save it. This motherfucker staring at me the whole time. You think I will give you my damn prosciutto? You think I'm gonna give you some of that? I shouldn't even let my breath touch your little face. I ain't giving you my fucking prosciutto. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. Well, I'll watching my show, but they take like 30 minutes for fucking commercials. So, everyone, I'm just chilling, snacking, choking. Choke up. This is the bottle bong, and you can just screw this bad boy on top of any bottle. Hello. How's everyone out there doing? You can call me D. D nuts. D brain. D12. D13 for war. 13. Are you still looking? I ain't got nothing for you. I ain't got nothing for you. There ain't nothing for you. There ain't nothing for you. There is nothing for you. You know I'm a cat person, but you're cool. It's my son's dog. So it's my grandchild, technically. Go.